The Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is a standout choice in the realm of electric ride-on toys, combining retro aesthetics with modern functionality. Designed specifically for children, this electric motorcycle promises not only an exhilarating ride but also a host of features that cater to both fun and safety. For parents seeking a stylish, safe, and enjoyable outdoor experience for their children, a Hyper GoGo motorcycle presents a compelling option. First impressions of the Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle reveal its attractive retro-style design. The bike features a classic shape reminiscent of vintage motorcycles, which appeals to both kids and parents alike. The vivid color options and sleek body design create an eye-catching appearance, making it an appealing toy for children aged 3 to 8. Its stylish look is not just for show, it sets a nostalgic tone that can remind parents of their own childhood while offering a modern twist essential for today's kids. One of the standout features of this motorcycle is its ambient lighting, which adds a magical touch to night rides. The integrated LED lights are strategically placed along the bike's body, creating an engaging atmosphere that transforms the riding experience into a vibrant adventure as the sun sets. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to safety, making the bike visible in low-light conditions. Children will love the thrill of riding their motorcycle under the stars, and parents can have peace of mind knowing their child is more noticeable to others. Safety is a top priority for the Hyper GoGo motorcycle, and it does not disappoint in this regard. The motorcycle is equipped with a sturdy frame and wide wheels that provide stability and balance, making it suitable for young riders who may still be developing their motor skills. The maximum speed of around 3 to 5 miles per hour is appropriate for this age group, offering enough excitement without being overwhelming. Parents can also appreciate the easy-to-use throttle and brake, which are designed to be intuitive for kids, allowing them to have control over their speed. The motorcycle is powered by a rechargeable battery, which offers up to 1 to 2 hours of continuous ride time depending on the terrain and weight. This feature allows for extended play without frequent interruptions for charging, making it ideal for outdoor adventures in parks or backyards. The battery itself is fairly easy to recharge, taking around 4 to 6 hours for a full charge. This means that with a little planning, kids can enjoy plenty of riding time after school or during weekends. Additionally, the Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is designed with comfort in mind. The seat is cushioned and spacious enough for growing children, ensuring that long rides are not uncomfortable. The handlebars are adjustable, accommodating children of various heights, which adds to the bike's longevity, allowing it to grow with your child. The ergonomic design also encourages proper posture while riding, promoting healthy habits from a young age. Another compelling feature of the motorcycle is its ease of assembly. When it arrives, the motorcycle comes with clear instructions, and most parents report that they can put it together in under 30 minutes. This ease expands its appeal, as it minimizes frustration and maximizes enjoyment right out of the box. On the downside, some users have noted that the motorcycle may not perform as well on uneven surfaces or grass, as it is primarily designed for smooth, flat terrain. While it can handle minor bumps, parents should be mindful of where their children are riding to ensure a safe experience. Additionally, the weight limit of around 66 pounds means that as children grow, they may outgrow the bike sooner than some parents would like. In conclusion, the Hyper GoGo Kids electric motorcycle is an exceptional product that combines style, safety, and fun for young riders. Its retro aesthetic and vibrant ambient lighting create an exciting riding experience that is hard to match in the electric ride-on toy market. With a focus on safety features, including stability, adjustable handlebars, and a manageable speed, it provides parents with confidence that their child is safe while having fun. While it may have some limitations on rough terrain and weight capacity, the overall design and functionality make it a worthy investment for families looking